warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Manda Dea Saputri, NPM saya 23411182, kelas MENJ 23D. Here I will discuss consumer service and producer service. Producer service. Here are some key points about producer service. 1. Producer service is the difference between the market price a producer receives and the minimum price the would be willing to accept for a given quantity of a good or service. 2. It is a measure of the benefit producer received from selling a good or service. 3. Producer service can be calculated by finding the air about the supply and below the market prices. Surplus consumer. Here are some key points about producer surplus. 1. The larger the consumer surplus, the greater the benefit to consumers. 2. Consumer surplus is based on the economics theory of marginal utility, which is the addition satisfaction a person derives by consuming on more unit of a product or service. 3. Consumer service is used by government to formulate tax policies and by monopolies to the price to charge for this production. Example, a company produces 100 units of a production and sells them at a price of 50 per unit. The company's supply fee is given by the quantity SQ sama dengan 20Q, where Q is the question, DQ sama dengan 100 kurang 2Q, where is the quantity, the math calculator, the consumer service and producer service at the equilibrium points. First, we need to find the equilibrium point by setting the demand and supply. Surface equal to H outer 100 kurang 2Q sama dengan 20Q. Solving for Q, we get Q sama dengan 33. 3. Plugging the values of Q into H the demand or supply surface, we get the equilibrium pressures. D 33,33 sama dengan 1000 kurang 2 33,33 sama dengan 933,34. The consumer surplus is the area between the math choice and the equilibrium price up to the quantity production. CS sama dengan 0,33.33 1000 kurang 2Q DQ kurang 933.34 33,33 sama dengan 11,11,11. Solution. The producer surplus is the air between the supply fee and the equilibrium prices up to the quantity productions. PS sama dengan 933,34 33,33 kurang 0,33.33 20Q DQ sama dengan M,666 67. The total surplus is the sum of the consumer surplus and producer surplus. TS sama dengan 11,111.111 tambah 6,666.67 sama dengan 17,7777.78. The firms at the equilibrium point. The consumer surplus is 11,111.111. The producer surplus is 6,666.67 and the total surplus is 17,777.78. Introduction. Surplus consumer. Consumer surplus is an economic component. The measure the benefits consumer receives from purchasing a good or service. It is defined as the difference between the maximum price a consumer is willing to pay for a given quantity of a good or service and the actual market price. The by consumer surplus and be calculated by finding the R below the midpoints and before the market prices. The larger the consumer surplus, the greater the benefit to consumers. Introduction. Producer surplus. Producer surplus is an economic component that measures the benefit producer receives from selling a good or service. It is defined as the difference between the market price a producer receives for a given quantity of a good or service and the minimum price they or be willing to accept for that quantity. Producer surplus can be calculated by finding the R above the supply curve and below the market price. Market and equilibrium prices. A market is a meeting place between sellers and buyers where goods and services are traded. The equilibrium price is the price at which the quantity of goods demand is equal to the quantity of goods offered. At the equilibrium price, consumer surplus and producer surplus reach their maximum values. In this slide, we will explain the content of market and equilibrium prices in the context of consumer surplus and producer surplus. Graph is producer surplus. The producer surplus graph illustrates the difference between the supply curve and the market price. Producer surplus can be calculated as the R of the trial above the supply curve and below the market price. In this slide, we will show the producer surplus graph and provide further explanation. Pros of consumer and producer. Consumer surplus occurs when consumer surplus exceeds producer surplus. Thus indicates the consumer benefit more the producer in the transaction. Producer surplus occurs when producer surplus exceeds consumer surplus. Thus indicates the The producer benefit more than consumer in the transition. In this slide, we will discuss more about consumer and producer surplus.